Hi, today we are going to discuss test-driven development using Python. As developers, we used to write code and then pass it on to the tester to do the testing. But with today's environment, it is important that we do the unit testing and we do it in an easy and a structured manner. And this video is about doing test-driven development within Python. So in order for us to do this testing, I have written a simple function where we get the distance between two locations using Google Distance Matrix API. So I'm just going to bring in my simple code, and if you want to know more about how this is written, how to use this code, there is a separate video. I will put the link on the comment section. In here we are just passing two locations and we should get the output as the distance. So we're going to type print get distance and the two locations, and I'm going to run this. And it tells me the distance in meters. So it's saying 5221 meters. So now what I'm going to do is test whether my code produces the correct output. I'm going to open up a new code editor, and here I'm going to import the unit test module that is already embedded within Python. And then I'm going to import the function that I've written earlier to get the distance. And after that, I need to create a class to run this unit test. This class inherits the test case function from unit test class. So next I'm gonna write a function to test the function that I had already written, and we pass self as an object reference. First I'm gonna pass a value that fails the test. Now, how do I run this code? There are multiple ways of running this code, but the easiest for us to run from this console is to use the main method. Now if I run this, there we go. It says assertion error, 5221 is not equal to 5220. Now what I can do is I'm just gonna add this as 5221 and run it again, and there we go. Ran one test and it's okay. Now what I want to do is run an invalid test. I'm going to insert a postcode that does not exist and see how it runs. There we go. Now it gives us an error. So we go back to passing the test here, and we are going to refactor our code. I want to pass the value when it's available. If it is not available, I want to pass a value saying that it is not available. So before that, we just do some if conditions. Then we run this. If the status is okay, then we return this value. If it is not okay, we will return none. I'm back in my module. Now what I need to say is I'm expecting a value of none. Save and run it. There we go, our test ran. Now here you see that it says it ran one test. The reason why it says it ran one test, although we have run two tests here, is because it's just a single function that we are using. So this way you can write a failing test, make it pass, and refactor. Again, write another test, make it pass, refactor. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it.